In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a field in Jira. Whether you're aiming to streamline your interface or focus on the most relevant information, learning how to manage field visibility is a handy skill. So let's walk through the process together. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Jira settings. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on this icon, you'll need to head over to the Work Items section. This is where all your issue configurations and settings are housed. As you delve into the Issues section, you'll soon come across an area labeled Fields. Within this area, there's an option called Field Configurations. Go ahead and select that. Understanding field configurations in Jira is crucial because they allow you to manage which fields are visible to your team. This enables you to tailor the experience based on your project needs or workflow requirements. Next, it's time to pick the field configuration you wish to alter. You might be working with the default configuration, which is applied globally, or you could be dealing with one that's specific to a project. Choose the configuration from the list that suits your needs. After you've selected the appropriate field configuration, you'll notice an option that says Configure next to it. Click on this to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see a list of all the fields associated with that particular configuration. Your task now is to identify the field that you no longer need to be visible and wish to hide. Once you've pinpointed the field, you'll see links next to it for quick actions. Simply click the Hide link or a similar icon, which might look like a trash icon, associated with the field you're targeting. Keep in mind, once a field is hidden, it will not appear on any screens that use this specific field configuration. This means a less cluttered and more focused interface for everyone involved. It's important to remember that this process can always be reversed. If you eventually decide that you need the field to become visible again, all you have to do is click the Show link next to the field. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage the visibility of fields in your Jira projects, ensuring a cleaner and more customized experience. It not only helps in minimizing distractions, but also keeps your workspace relevant to your current tasks. If you ever need to revisit these settings, just refer back to these steps. That's it for today's guide on hiding fields in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Jira experience more tailored and efficient. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your workflow.